Introducing the 3-Bond Instant Glue. The 3-Bond Instant Glue is a quick-drying cyanoacrylate-based adhesive. It has low viscosity and is easy to apply for strongly bonding on metal, plastic, glass, rubber, leather, flex, ceramic and wood, within a few seconds except for materials that absorb the materials. For any damaged part, apply the 3-Bond Instant Glue in sufficient quantity. Now put together the damaged parts with the 3-Bond Instant Glue. You can use it to renew a variety of broken materials. It has instant bonding and strong adhesion in only 5 to 10 seconds at room temperature. It needs no hardener, pressing or heating. It just holds objects lightly in place. Minimal quantity is required. Its relatively low viscosity allows good spread and penetration. The clean appearance bonding is colourless, transparent and clean.